Marge, ano tong dinner setup mo?
Dinner lang po, ma. Surprise for Paolo. Gusto ko lang bumawi. Alam ko kasi napapabayaan ko na siya lately.
Wow. So, candlelight, wine, petals. It's the most gasgas trick in The Desperate Housewife. Book, ha, Marjorie?
Bakit dito? Akala ko ba business meeting? Hindi na ita.
Eh, dito gusto mag-meeting ng client. Sabi niya, mas madali daw mag-usap kapag may alak at ambience.
Naku, alam mo, kahit anong effort mo, kung lalayo, lalayo. No matter how hard you try, if there's a wall between you and your husband, it's going to be hard to tear it down. I know. I've tried.
You didn't tell me that this was this kind of place.
Why? You look so nervous. Relax, boss. It's just a meeting, okay?
You just get this over with. Nihintay pa ako ni Marge.
Sure. Sana lang hindi ka malit pag balik ng tiwala ng client. O ni Marge. Oh, hi, sir.
Asan ka na ba, love?
Sorry, traffic.
Okay lang, no problem. We're so glad you made it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sige pa.
Kayo pala ang husband and wife tandem that I've heard about.
No, we're not.
Si Marge po ang asawa niya. I'm Thea Villarreal.
Sorry for assuming. Looking at you two, akala ko kasi kayo.
May nauna na eh.
Oh.
We're very close friends. Pareho po kaming taken. Future brother-in-law ko siya.